Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're consulting with the experts, the professionals, the housekeepers, the people who do this for a living and have the best tips and hacks. So these first few tips come from Melissa Maker, and she has her own cleaning company. So she's all about efficiency. This is an approach to cleaning any room using the 3-wave method. So wave number 1 is where you do your decluttering and trash sweep. So you go into the room, wave 1, with a trash bag and a little basket so you can put any items that don't belong. And you sweep through the room, removing any trash and decluttering, removing items that don't belong in that room. You want to move around the room from left to right in a clockwise motion, making sure you're getting every corner of the room. So wave 2 is where you actually do your cleaning and dusting, and you want to work your way around the room from top to bottom, left to right in a circular pattern, like a clock going around the room. So the reason she says always top to bottom is because if you are dusting in the top, your ceiling fans, your blinds, the dust is gonna fall down. So this maximizes efficiency so you don't have to go back and re-clean things later. Starting from left to right and going in a clockwise motion, you only have to go over each space one time versus backtracking and moving randomly around the room. Having a system and knowing how you're moving around the room allows you to move more efficiently. Now, as you're cleaning your items, she's a big proponent of using an S-shaped cleaning motion. So a lot of us go in circular motions. So not only is that redistributing the dirt and the dust, it's also gonna lead to streaks. So an S-shaped cleaning motion is more hygienic, you won't miss a spot, there is no streaking, and it's efficient. So think about it as a zigzag pattern. So start at your top right, move all the way to the left, and then move your way down like you're making little S's all along the surface. And then wave 3 are the floors. And you want to start with the corner that is the opposite end of the entry point. So you are backing your way out of the room. You're cleaning your way out of the room. That way, just like with cleaning from top to bottom, you don't have to go back and re-clean areas that you've already cleaned. Now, for cleaning the floors, this is Melissa's DIY floor cleaning solution that I tried. I love it. It is great. It's not sticky, and you can make it using things that you probably already have at home. So you want to start with 2 cups of warm water, add a 1/4 cup of distilled white vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of dish soap. Mix that all together, and it's as simple as that. You can clean your hardwood, vinyl, laminate, tile, all types of floors with this solution. And I also saw from the housekeeper, she showed this mop versus the Swiffer. And the reason why is it's a lot longer. It's almost twice as long as the Swiffer. So I'm able to cover twice the amount of surface area in the same amount of time. So it saves me time. It has the great swivel, and also best feature is you can add your own cleaning solution to it. Swiffer, they try to lock you in. You have to use their solution, which I do not like at all. And a little tip that I like to do is first wet your mop head, get it nice and damp, wring it out, and then put it on top. It will just glide a lot better and smoother over your floors. Other little pro hack here, who remembers the wall cleaning brush that I shared? It's like so crazy viral over on TikTok. Well, you could actually use your mop to clean your walls. Our walls are always getting crazy dirty because of my kids and their little handprints. So you can not only use this mop on the floors, you could use it to clean your walls. Also, for cleaning your walls, these magic eraser sheets are magical. They come in these little single-use sheets. They're a lot easier to maneuver into little cracks. I just find that they don't take the paint off my wall, and I prefer them to the regular magic eraser sponge. So good little spring cleaning thing to do is use these, go around your baseboards, your walls, and your doors. Now, the professionals, the experts, one thing that they do that we're not doing are the little finishing touches that really just bring it all together. And one really easy one that packs a punch is your toilet paper rolls. Having the nice little fold, the corner fold is the most simple, but what I like to do is a corner fold, then turn your faucet on and off, and then take your toilet paper roll, press it into the faucet, and it will give a nice little stamp, a nice little ring. This looks so nice in your guest bathroom with your extra toilet paper rolls that are just, you know, sitting out there. Now they look chic. They look like you really put in the effort, and it takes seconds. Another little finishing touch is, instead of just folding your towel, you could do the spa towel fold where you actually roll and tuck. I will show you a little tutorial. So to do your spa towel fold, I like to do this on the kitchen counter. You want to lay your towel flat and then take one corner and fold it over like so. Then take the remaining and fold that over. Now you want to take the entire towel, flip it, and then all you have to do is roll it up. There'll be a little tab at the end that you just tuck in, and that is it. Other little finishing touch element is that your home is not fully clean and complete unless it also smells nice. So I get the Santal going. Santal Sshaped is my new favorite, and Love Affair. So whatever you like to diffuse even your essential oils or get a candle going, finish with fragrance. And so not only will it look clean, but your home will smell clean. Now, some expert tips for cleaning the bathroom specifically. A lot of these come from Vanessa Amaro from TikTok. Save your back, get a scrubber. And I can attest to this for cleaning your tub, your shower, so you don't have to hunch over, get in the tub. Like that was my least favorite thing. You can do it standing and not have to hurt your back. So this is an essential cleaning tool that just makes your life easier. Another thing Vanessa pointed out in the shower that so many people never think to clean, myself included, I had never cleaned this, but there is a water guard on the bottom of your shower that you're supposed to remove and clean periodically. She recommends just to clean this with an old toothbrush, get in there, clean it off, rinse it off, and put it right back because that thing can get pretty nasty and mildewy. Again, from Vanessa, she loves the Dawn Power Wash. I love this for cleaning my dishes. It just cleans so much better. The only downside with this is that it's expensive to refill. It's more expensive to refill. So she actually figured out you don't actually have to buy the Dawn Power Wash refills. Really what you need is just to buy it one time, and you need this mechanism. And then you just add in warm water, your regular Dawn dish liquid that you can buy in bulk, shake it up, and it will still work and be the same thing. This does work better for cleaning dishes. Like this combo right here is the elite combo. Big cleaning hack that a lot of us regular people don't know and don't do, but all the professionals know to do, and that is let your cleaning products sit, especially in your bathroom and if the product is a disinfectant. It takes between 5 to 10 minutes for it to fully penetrate and work and kill all of those germs. So don't just spray and wipe. Spray, walk away, then come back. Now, in terms of cleaning products, most of the experts that I follow recommend to simplify your routine, simplify your products, because a lot of cleaning products, they're just marketing. They're just designed to get you to spend a whole lot of money that you don't need to. So for me, I pretty much just use my DIY floor cleaner, and then my all-purpose cleaner, I use the Blue Land one. If you don't have a cleaning caddy, they have the handheld one, but having your supplies with you in the room and bringing that around with you room by room is just going to save you a lot of time. And then in terms of cleaning cloths, the upgrade, the hack here, switch to these, to the Swedish dishcloths instead of your microfiber cloth. There is no lint, they are more hygienic, and my favorite cleaning tip, this is a game changer. Instead of having to go through literally like 25 different microfiber cloths, all you have to do, go to your sink, use your dish soap, clean it off, rinse it out, and continue cleaning. So as you're cleaning your countertops, your kitchen, doing your dusting, you can cut the amount of cloths you're going through. So these are my favorite ever. These are my own brand. That's how much I love them. I wanted to come out with them myself. We did restock the Pretty Prince. I have talked for years about how smart it is to have a dedicated bin in your closet for donations, because as you're trying on clothes and it doesn't fit right, you don't love it, that's the time. You can just easily put it in your donation bin. Once it gets full, you donate it, right? Well, the second bin you should put in your closet is a need to put back bin. So these are the clothes that maybe you tried on, you're in a rush, you don't have time to put it back, or maybe it's a jacket that you wore one time, it doesn't need to be washed, it just needs to be put back. So instead of it being on your floor, it has a dedicated space, and then when you have time, you can go put those items back. So those are my favorite little tips and tricks that I have learned from the cleaning experts that I actually use and have changed the game for me. So I hope you enjoyed them as well. If you are new here, again, don't forget to subscribe, follow me for more videos like this in the future. And with all of that said, I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.